Let's make an AI. Not just any AI, let's make a small language model. First steps, I want to make an AI that can check the tense of a sentence in English and in maybe Dutch. I made a plan in Microsoft Paint. It's kind of obvious. It's a tense checker small language model. And for example, when I input, I went to the store yesterday. It's supposed to give me an answer if that happened in the past, if that is happening in the present, or it will happen in the future. Well, for this sentence, the past is obviously correct. So it's just correct. It doesn't, nothing happens with it. But once it's wrong, it will ask for a user input and it will correct it. You have to correct the model, and then it will learn from that. Well, I'll just show you how I made this. I made one hella long Python script. Now this isn't long at all, but it's just are the basics of a machine learning model. You may say this is not an AI or something, I don't fucking care, but it is a machine learning algorithm. Even ChatGPT told me this, all the other AIs told me that what I made here is an AI. Alright, you may ask, what the hell does this do? But basically, what this does is, you give it a sentence, you input a sentence. Wait, I'll show you real quickly. Alright, yeah, to be honest, my program doesn't work at all. I'm already receiving an error. This is the first time running it in like a week. I made this a week ago, so let me fix this real quickly. Alright, it works now. So basically this is all in Dutch, but it just asks to input a sentence. So I'll quickly show you an example. This sentence, I went to the store yesterday. We input it, it says past. Is this correct? Yes or no? Well, yes, this is correct, of course. So yeah, it basically works, but I'm gonna play around for a bit and try to find a sentence and make it not correct. Yes, so this one is not correct. The apple is eating itself while watching a series called Wednesday. So it says this is past. This is not correct. So let me input an M real quick. Enter. Now it asks me to provide the correct tense. So, well, is this past, present, future? Well, of course, this is present. Yes, let me enter it. And now, yeah, just nothing changed in here. But let me go to the memory or the parameters of this machine learning model. Okay, so basically in here I've got a ginormous JSON file. I don't know how many lines. Let me scroll to the bottom. 3,733 lines. This actually isn't that long for a machine learning model. Mine is still shit. Doesn't work that good. You see, I only had to use like the fourth input and it was already wrong. But basically, this is my these are my parameters. They work by weight. That's what it's called. So every word gets a weight, and I'll just real quickly show you what I mean. It's very fast. So the word D is very unstable. It has a weight of 10 at future, a weight of 10 at past, and a weight of 10 at present. This is because it has been in multiple sentences in the future, in the past, in present. It's an unreliable word if you want to decide in which tense the sentence is. A more reliable word, yesterday, which, for example, gets like a -50 for future, a -5 for present, and like 500 for past. This is an example. It won't go at that high, I think, but maybe you don't, I don't know. But yeah, you know what I mean. Very easy. The weight depends, like if a sentence was right here present, and it says this was past but it was wrong, and I have to say it was present, then all these words, the apple is eating itself, all these words will get a weight. It will add the weight in the present tab. So yeah, I might not see, this is very big file, but the present tab, maybe here we can somewhere find apple, and it will be higher than it was before inputting this. That's basically how this works. It's weight, and this is not the best way to make just models, but just for this simple tense checker, this is perfect. You don't have to make it too complicated. Oh, I will enlarge this though to even make like a small language model, make it generate sentences. If you say generate a sentence in the present, it can generate a sentence for you. For that, I'll have to find another way to classify words. I've already started with an idea to classify words based on the repetition. So words that get used a lot and have like have like a high score in the present, future, and past. So these words are not reliable. So a word like the apple, D is not a reliable word because it gets used as much in the present, future as past. So that's one way to classify words. Yeah, so I have to make this bigger, of course. This was just a small example. I'm thinking about maybe putting this small model on GitHub, but no, I'm not putting all that work in it. Just I think this is cool. If you have some more ideas on how I can make it bigger or how I can classify these words, just like I did with the word repetition, which doesn't work at all, by the way. I've not implemented this feature yet. It just, yeah, I've generated like 1,000 sentences with ChatGPT, and I've fed them all to the model, and by that it was learning. So this is all the data I gave it. I've also did that for the Dutch sentences, but the Dutch language is a bit more difficult, so it doesn't work like, it works like 70% of the time, which is still crazy, by the way, for how much time I put into making this. It's still, yeah, it's great model. But yeah, please let me know in the comments if you have any ideas on how I can classify these words better than they are right now. Also, please follow me on TikTok. I want to reach 1,000 followers by the end of June. That's a new goal. When the summer vacation starts, I want to have 1,000 followers. Thank you.